Hey guys, I got this milk frother here to see if I could make gourmet hot chocolate, and I watched some videos on how to froth milk, and it said to froth milk between 120 and 145 degrees. So I heated my milk up in the microwave, and you'll see those little chocolate flecks. That's because I have some semi-sweet chocolate chips and Nutella in there. And I have 1 part chocolate and 4 parts milk. And I watched a few YouTube videos, but I've never done this before. Let's see. Ooh. I heard you want like a vortex. And that gets the bubbles in. Ooh, that's a vortex. So I've never done this before. I don't think I know what I'm doing, but the volume has increased. So I've definitely whipped air into it. I'm gonna turn it off. This thing had 2 speeds. I was on the higher speed. Ooh, it got all my chocolate dissolved. I'm gonna see if I can incorporate these bubbles. It definitely helped me mix in that chocolate chips in with the warm milk really well. I think if you know what you're doing with frothing milk, you're not supposed to have like visible bubbles. It's just supposed to be shiny and glossy. I don't think I really know what I'm doing, because I definitely have big bubbles on top. But it was fun, and you can see kind of the layers in the milk. All that is frothy. Let's pour it and see how it tastes. This is 1 cup of milk, and it definitely aerated it to be way more than 1 cup of milk. A little bit for me. This is not your average Swiss Miss hot cocoa. It did make it really creamy and thick and velvety. The taste is going to be whatever the quality of chocolate is you put in it, though. If you're trying to make a fluffy, frothy, thick hot chocolate that I think is similar in texture to the Velveteer. I think mine's a little more bubbly than the Velveteer. I don't know if that's a good or bad thing, but little handheld whisk and some warm milk and some chocolate chips. The quality of the chocolate is exactly the flavor of the cocoa you're going to get, the hot cocoa you're going to make. Hope that helps you know if this is something you want to buy. It did come with 2 other attachments too, like one's for I think for whisking eggs. I don't know. I just use a fork. And then one was a hook. I don't know why you'd use those. I bought it for this little frothy attachment. And we'll probably use it to make hot cocoa again. Hope this helps you know if it's something you want to buy.